Hello and welcome, Greg here from Stafford Land Rover, sharing with you today this brand new Range Rover Sport, available here in the P400 Autobiography with the exterior painted in gorgeous Borasco grey metallic colour. From every angle, this vehicle is definitely guaranteed to turn heads, featuring loads of bespoke equipment that's fitted to it, with key equipment highlights including the benefit of the stylish full LED headlights with daytime running lights, as well as large 22-inch diamond-turned satin dark grey alloy wheels. Round the back, also stylish LED tail light will give your car a distinctive look at night, and also it even benefits from a panoramic sunroof as well with a tilt and sliding function. Inside the cabin, these gorgeous light oyster seats with black accents will really stand out and brighten up the cabin, and passengers in the rear will also enjoy their very own heated seats. Moving to the front, a beautifully crafted cabin will also benefit from front sport seats, which feature 22-way heated, ventilated memory and even massage function, to name a few. Once behind the wheel, the driver can enjoy this leather-wrapped heated multifunction steering wheel, which controls the interactive driver display IDD up ahead. Capable of displaying most vehicle functions, you can change the look of the tiles and the positions, and this particular model even benefits from HUD head-up display functionality. Moving over to the center, the large PV Pro infotainment touchscreen is an absolute joy to use and even features a secondary backup menu as well. Whatever you're looking for, you can enjoy the likes of built-in satellite navigation, along with FM and DAB digital radio receptions. Whatever the weather, easy-to-use heated and cooled front seats can be easily operated from the screen thanks to the large icons, and also various other functions are also available in this secondary menu. Seat heating can also be easily operated, as well as the massage functionality even benefits from 5 stages. Additionally, you can also operate the climate control in exactly the same manner, and a few of you might have already noticed this car benefits from wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Various 4x4 functionalities are also available, as well as premium ambient lighting, allowing you to set the ideal light for the cabin to suit your mood. Helping you park, you'll be pleased to know there is a 3D surround parking camera system available to make sure you never scratch your lovely bumpers. You can also opt for a wide-angle view lens, or even choose from this turnaround view here to make sure you never scuff your alloys. Also, you've got this lovely rear view mirror, which also features an integrated camera system here, and controls for the sunroof can be found overhead as well.